project is IoT based fire alerting system. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its starter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Wi-Fi module ESP8266 connected to Arduino UART port. Fire sensor 1, fire sensor 2 connected to Arduino digital pins. Here siren controlled by relay which is connected to Arduino digital pin respectively. Here we have our own server designed according to our requirement. Initially we have to create hotspot in our mobile with the name of IoT server and password is IoT server 123. Now we have to open hotspot settings. We can see here network name IoT server and password IoT server 123. Save. Mobile should have internet through the SIM. Now we can log in server application in this URL. Here URL is project server.in using username and password. Username is IoT41 and password is IoT41. We can name it this according to our requirement. In this URL we can open in our mobile or laptop. Now we have to open in our mobile. Here we can see project server.in and it is asking username and password. Username IoT41 and password IoT41. Now power on this. After switch on this project, it connect internet through the hotspot. Here two fire detecting sensors placed at different places based on requirement. If any sensor detects fire, then siren will be on and data will upload to the IoT server. Here U means data uploaded into the server. We have to refresh this page. We can see here fire sensor 1, fire sensor 2, data with respect to date and time.